If you want that Allah treats you special, treat the days and nights of these days special. The 10 days and nights of Zul Hijjah. Just remember this all the time. The 10 days before each Eid are special, very special. The last 10 days of Ramadan and the first 10 days of Zul Hijjah. Treat them special. Allah will treat you special in this life and as well as the hereafter. Change yourself in these 10 days. Show to Allah your change. Try to make friendship with Allah and try not to do anything that brings His displeasure. Try to stay away from any type of sin. Just these 10 days. I know it is a little difficult, but you can do it. Yes, you can. Try to increase your ibadat. Try to pray more nawafil. Read more Quran. Increase the time in dua. Try to do good with others. Try to spend for the sake of Allah. Help others. Help the poor. Be a good human being. And remember, if you treat these days and nights special, Allah will treat you special.